Ruminants animals, heifer calf and bull calf. The title of this term paper is Health Care Management of Heifer Calf and Bull Calf at Barangay Campuan, Maramag, Bukidnon. This chapter presents the objective of the study, materials and method, technical analysis, care and management, feeding and nutrition, health and management. Health care management like preventive measure, vaccination, deworming, and timely treatment ensure proper health of animals that promotes their productivity, according to Singh et al. 2007. To determine the initial weight of the heifer calf, to determine the final weight of the heifer and bull calf, to determine the kilogram of the to feeds intake of the heifer calf and bull calf. These the objectives. This study will explain the methods by this research. It will explain first of all the research design, locale of the study, participant of the study. This will be followed by discussion on their ability to produce. The research is made in qualitative. The researchers illustrate and examine the healthcare management of the heifer calf and bull calf at Purok Otso, Campuan, Maramag, Bukidnon. The study experimented in Barangay Campuan, Maramag, Bukidnon, which can be located at Purok Otso, Campuan, Maramag, Bukidnon. The study is made through observation on animals. Materials and method. The study was conducted, I think, in just a week, in a short time, but I make sure it's have a good purpose. This study was only me and the animals in the farm. For the overall observation and what are some of the activities I do to them, like deworming, feeding, supplementation. The research proposal is approved by our instructor in this mid-year 2021. The purpose of the study is to determine what are some that should be done in taking care of the heifer calf and bull calf. Discussion of the objectives. As you can see, based on observation, the initial weight of the heifer calf is 201.799 and the final weight is 212.772. Their gaps is not too far from the final weight. The initial weight taken from the last June of and the final was taken on July 27, 2021. The bull calf also have initial weight of 133.884 and the final weight is 138.863. Their gaps also is not too far. This data was taken from the same day. The kilograms of feeds intake of the heifer calf and bull calf is 850 to 870 kilograms. This total is 10 kilograms of Napier 3 times a day until to 29 days. To get the initial weight and final weight is we use approximate live weight equals heart rate centimeter squared times body length centimeter divided 10,840. The whole observation is what is the outcome of the study. In behalf of my mother who invests these two calves, the health status of the heifer calves and bull calf right now is definitely good because they're done in deworming and supplementation before the study start. Because we can observe some of the pagbasa sa tae to the both calves. As further observation, we consult the veterinarian in town and they also give us thick remover which can dissolve in water. Thank you for listening.